Where are we, Barbara?
We're at Walmart, picking up some salads.
Gonna try to shop for some healthy things here at the store. Hey, Carol!
Hey, Barbara. We're about ready to go inside.
These look good.
Get some of this? Yeah? Do you think these would fit mine?
Yeah.
Would this one look cute?
Yeah.
Or would this one look cuter?
Yeah. That looks good. I like that one better.
Does this purse make me look fat, Barbara?
It actually camouflages your fat.
Really? Okay.
We're walking down the sauce aisle, and we're looking for some stuff. I think we're gonna need some of these. Maybe some of this. Hey, Barbara, you're a little close, aren't you?
So what kind of cake should we get?
What about funfetti?
It's the cheapest one. Help me bargain shop. We think we're gonna get this cake. Maybe some icing. What about chocolate, yeah? Sure.
Shake it like a need a bigger. Shake it like a rough shaker. Shake it like a need a bigger. Shake it like a rough shaker. Shake it like a need a bigger.
Okay. What would go good with chocolate and strawberry?
How about some loaded?
No, that's too loaded. We have to get a low fat
And
one.
we're not too loaded? Pick that up.
I'm gonna be making a cake today. We had a salad earlier. Gotta get the biggest ones. What are you throwing up, dog? Cup of water. I'll put in a little extra. Sounds like my thighs slapping together. Put it in the oven, mark it with a B, making a cake for Barbara and me. We're rewarding ourselves for our hard work. You wanna lay on my big ass, Ricky? It's like a big pillow. How do you like it?